Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are on the process of studying ism, especially the four properties of the ism. That is status, number, gender, and type. Up to now, we have completely studied everything. So we have completed four properties of the ism. So now you should be able to tell, if you given any ism, you should be able to tell all these four properties. So the lesson number 9 is the final assignment related to ism. So that you have to mention the four properties of the ism. So if you can, this lesson is considered this assignment is considered a separate lesson because this is such an important lesson. So if you can do all these questions and find out the four properties of the ism, that means you have completely understand all the concept of the ism. So this is like ultimate objective. So that's why it is shown as a separate lesson. However, I cannot go through all the uh, words because it will take lots of time. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick randomly few and explain the answer. And what you can do is you can completely do this assignment after finishing up to lesson 8. Then only you can finish this assignment. So complete all prior lessons, then do this assignment. And if you have any doubt, if you cannot understand any word in this list, just only point out that word, then I can further explain how to get the answer for that word. But I will now do few random isms to I'll explain how to find out the four properties. So example, if you take the word marquisina, okay, marquisina. So if you look at this pattern, that pattern is equal to muslimina. So you can develop the complete chart, complete Muslim chart using marquisina. So how it comes is like marquisun, marquisan, marquisin, marquisani, marquisaini, marquisaini, marquisuna, marquisina, marquisina. Very simple. So once you know the Muslim chart, you can take any word similar to that pattern, then you can develop the complete Muslim chart. So Marquisina is similar to Muslimina. So Muslimina is like Nasubo status is Nasubo Jar. So Marquisina status is the same, that is Nasubo Jar. And that is Muslimina in plural column. So this will be plural. And Muslimina is Muslim male chart, masculine chart. So Marquisina will be masculine. And since there is no al, it can be considered as a common because there is no sign of a uh, no reason to it to be proper, like it has to be al and some other reasons we have discussed. So no reason is there, so it is a common one. So four properties is covered. So if it is al marquisina, yes, then it will be proper. Since there is no al, it is common. So status nasubojar, the number, it's plural because of the third column. Smart Muslimin is lot of Muslims, like Marquisine is the same, the plural meaning. And the gender is Muslim masculine chart. Okay, we can uh, make it feminine as well. We can develop this feminine chart using this example. Marquisun, Marquisan, Marquisin is a masculine chart. So Muslimun, Musliman, Muslimin, like that. So Muslimatun, Marquisatun, Marquisatan, Marquisatin. There is a feminine version of it. Marquisatani, Marquisataini, Marquisataini, Marquisatun, Marquisatin, Marquisatin. See, you just know only one word and you can develop around 9 words using that if you know these two charts. That's the benefit of memorizing those charts. So this one you can get it from the chart, all the four properties. I'll do another couple of examples. Number 13, Al Anharu. Al Anharu. Al Anharu means you need to know the meaning of this. This is mean rivers because it's a broken plural. Okay, since if it is a broken plural, you need to know the meaning to find out the four properties. Okay, because broken plural is, if it is a non-human broken plural, it is considered as singular feminine. So since it is Anharu, its status is Rafa because O sound is the Anharu, and it is now it is, since it's a broken plural, grammatically it has to be considered as a singular feminine. So the number is singular and gender is feminine, and since al is there, it is proper ism. The last example I will do is Mariama. If you take Mariama word, okay, now this is little bit tricky. When you look at Mariama, it looks like Nasib, right? But this is a non-Arab name, so it has to be treated like a partly flexible word. The example we learned is Yusufu. Yusufu, Yusufa, Yusufa. That means Yusuf is Rafa and Nasib is Yusufa, and Jar also is Yusufa, because partly flexible cannot take Tanween, as well as it cannot take the Jar status as Yusufi. So you need to be a little cautious about that. So based on that, you can find out the four properties. Al Mariama. So when it's a Mariama, it looks like Nasab, but you have to say Nasab Jar, because since it's partly flexible, it can be Mariama, can be Nasab, like Yusufu, Yusufa, Yusufa, like that. Mariama can be Nasab Jar. That's the first thing. And second thing is, it is singular. It's a one person. It's a mother of Isa alayhi salam, so it's a one person, and also it's a feminine. Uh, she, she's a mother, so it is feminine. That word is feminine, and also it is a proper ism because it's a specific name. So specific names are proper. So likewise, you can do all these questions, all these words. You can find the four properties of the ism. So if you could find out based on the lessons that you have studied earlier, that means you have become expert in the ism. Okay. Uh, this ism is the most hardest subject. That's why you are doing it first, and it just you need a little understanding. So once you complete this entire assignment, that means you have a comprehensive understanding of ism, because this is the ultimate objective of completing ism, to understand the four properties of the ism. Then we will learn in future how whatever we studied, how we going to use it for further grammatical connections that we're gonna build up in future. So mashallah, that is the end of the lesson. So if you have any question, just update us. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala help us to understand this Quran and take into our life and spread across the world, inshallah.